how to move channel on Discord mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to move channel on Discord mobile. So then to move channel on Discord mobile, I'll be showing you the steps to do that procedure. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up or log in into your Discord account. Once you're logged into your Discord account, it's gonna look something like this. So after that, go ahead and tap the tab bar icon, and once you tap the tab bar icon from the top left hand side, here you can see all of your channels. So in order to arrange it or move channels on Discord mobile, tap the three-dot icon from the top and go to the settings, and then click the gear icon. Once you've done that, go to channels from the menu page, and from here all you have to do is just drag it, and then you'll be able to move channel on Discord. In this way you can arrange channel on Discord mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.